Log in Instagram, how to log in Instagram. So if you want to log in Instagram, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application. Once you launch the Instagram app, this is the interface that you will see right here. Right now, if you want to log in, first of all I will just select add Instagram account and I'll select login to one of my existing account right here. Well, I can select login to another account. So all you have to do here is to simply make sure to enter the email or the phone number associated with your Instagram account and even the username. So better yet, if you know your username, enter that. Tap on the password option and also make sure to enter your password. If you are not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on the I button right here to enter your password and see it. If you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password button right there if you would like to reset your password. And if you have not yet even created an account, then you can tap on create new account to create an Instagram account. But if all of your details are correct and you tap the login button, you'll be successfully logged into your Instagram account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.